Shows it. I'm just like DeRozan. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting.
Alright, welcome guys back to another video.
Today
we already made 2 videos today. That's
3 uploads in one day because we're savage.
we're feeling it today, guys.
We're feeling it.
So today we're gonna be
those. Get that back real quick. Okay, so we have a bunch of paper. You wonder why? You already know why. Crap. We're doing a paper airplane challenge. We're gonna make paper airplanes. And we're gonna
see who
get
which one
goes the farthest.
Yeah.
We have 3 tries.
Okay.
So let's go ahead.
Should we do the farthest or how long it was in the air?
How far it goes?
Or both?
Both.
Alright. I got my phone for
Because if yours goes super far, but it was only in there for like 1 second, then you can't really win off that. It has to be a nice, little throw. Like that.
I say how long it was on
how long it was in the air?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm pretty sure airplanes have to be in the air for a long time.
Okay, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start making
a paper airplane.
Paper airplane number 1.
Number 1.
So you'll see us do it.
Ooh, I don't know which way to do it.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Okay, so I actually don't know what I'm gonna try first. Okay. Ooh, this is.
I don't know which way to do it, so I'm just gonna do it.
Okay. Okay. This is how my starting. Oh, that didn't help at all.
Mine's starting pretty fresh. Mine's starting out
I'm
pretty
feeling
fresh.
myself, guys. Got a nice start. Holy, whose man is this? Whose man is this? Guys, I'm not the best paper airplane maker,
I mean,
but I'm not ashamed to say it.
I have some experience,
He has some experience, I don't really
because
have experience.
there's this one week that me and my friends were so bored. We made airplanes, but we didn't know how to make any, so we checked out a paper airplane book.
Oh, that's pretty savage. Whoa, what happened to the point of my airplane? Okay, where did I mess up? Okay, so it's like this. Then I did that. And then I did this. Wait, whoa. So then it goes like this. And then it goes like that. And then it goes back to this. Okay, guys. Improvement or not? Okay. Finito. I think, look at that. It's pretty nice. What is this? You go somewhere. You go somewhere.
Hear that music? Alright.
This is pretty trash. I think his. Oh no, he's got it. He's got it. I think he's got it. Because I think he's gonna have the airtime. Mine is gonna have the distance.
Alright,
okay,
so you wanna fine. I'm gonna do my way. How far it goes. He's gonna do.
Okay. So let's just.
How far
You'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. So let's flip it around.
Airplane.
Okay, so
we're gonna do how far it goes, cause
Wanna go first?
No, you go first.
I go first. This isn't gonna go anywhere. Paper airplane. That's the distance. Right there. Go ahead and move that other one. Okay, so I think I pretty good. Let me go ahead and mark my territory.
Yeah, mark it.
Alright, this is gonna go way farther.
No way!
I won!
I was kidding, see? Oh, dang it.
I didn't throw it hard.
Wait, I'm gonna throw it hard.
Okay, well see,
Yeah,
I think I just put the
My favorite airplane is that.
Let's get it. So I won the first. I'm gonna try to go backwards. Okay, so. Alright, second one. So how you doing, guys? You know, we're really quiet. So hello,
Yeah,
my name's Anton,
focusing.
and I'm a savage. That's all you need to know.
Focus is key.
And
My
success.
paper is so trees.
Oh, look at that! You see that crispness? Crisp is what I like. Crisp and freshness. That doesn't go up together though. How did that happen? You know what I say? As Anton says, wing it. You get it? Wing it. Ha 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 ha. Thank you for laughing with me. Okay, so
Knowledge.
knowledge gets you to college so you could drink coffee.
Take some polish.
So you can take some polish.
So you take some bleach.
So you drink bleach with your homies.
And say name. What's up, David? My name is Alan, and I like your videos.
This lady. Oh! 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 I see the potential. It just looks like folded paper.
Ooh, mine looks like a jet.
Yeah, his looks like a jet. Mine looks like a plane that just crashed. and I just made it, so it's like wait, whoa.
Airplane?
Paper airplanes, and let's
You got
go.
cut. That's why, but whatever. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait.
Alright, ready?
Alright.
So,
You're gonna go first?
oh, again? Oh no, I messed up. Well, you know, trial and error is key if your name is B. So, the wind.
The wind's gonna make
If I test the wind, I'm gonna throw this way.
Yes! Oh, yours went fire!
Yes! Get out of here, dear! What?
Alright, see, because it's gonna move to your phone.
Oh, okay. No, it's right here. Oh, crap. I just stepped on my... Hey! Hey! Oh! Nice. Oh, snap! Look, I stopped you.
Alright, bring the camera, Alright.
Holy!
Alright, so my paper airplane was a little bit farther. So, wait. Like so. Oh, snap. These were right there. And then you step a little bit. Then you see that.
Alright, holy. Alright, next one. Alright, next one.
Alright, guys, I ran out of ideas of paper airplanes, so
I'm gonna wing it. And
I'm just gonna do something really bad or something that could be good. You know?
You guys don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something.
I'm not doing it.
See what I'm doing?
Yeah. I see what you're doing.
Okay. Now, I made my paper to where I want it.
You know, you always gotta start with the bend.
Okay.
Before you move on to
Gotta make it nice and crisp. Nice and crisp. Nice and crisp. Another one.
come and succeed with us.
As we drink Kool-Aid and water. Oh yeah, see that crisp.
See that, guys? Right now it's really bad with. Let me see what.
Holy!
Is I know, right?
I could see that going far.
I'm just folding. I'm not even trying to do this. I'm not even trying. Folding success.
Yeah, this is what I used to do in elementary school. This is what it used to look like in elementary school. I bet all y'all remember these classics.
That's the one I just did.
And this is when you add in designs and make it look cool. This is where you impress the little kindergartners. Because I was in first grade. No, I wasn't. I was in kindergarten. And then the other kindergartners were like, oh, I'm jealous. Another one. This is when the little kids get jealous.
Mine looks like
Holy! Bro, what's up with yours looking like a professional jet? Like mine's over here looking like, hey kids, you want to make some paper airplanes? Yours looks like, we're making paper airplanes. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how these work. Alright, so Alan said he wants to try first this time. So I know what to be.
gotta cut the wing.
Oh.
You know, make it go farther.
Alright,
And
aka the fighter jet.
it's gonna go like.
Holy! No way! Go stop it, go stop it. How'd he go that far? How'd he go all the way over there? You can't. Okay, so my turn. Time to beat him. See,
I can't believe mine was.
this is where his went, all the way over there. This is where mine is. How'd he go that far? That's lit.
Success. Try to cut the tip of it, like right here.
Alright.
Like look how I cut it and then it worked.
No, I cut it wrong. Oh, it is right. And now try it. I think you're onto something.
Success.
I think you're onto something.
Oh! Yours went farther. Well, no, mine still went farther.
Yeah.
Yours went farther than that.
Alright, we're gonna try. Alright, so that was the paper airplane challenge. He won. But that was fun.
That was fun, actually.
There may be another one coming soon. We're not gonna tell you about it.
Yeah. You know, 'cause we got
But it's a
some
banger.
fun.
Okay?
Yeah.
So
So
like, subscribe, comment down below what you think about this video. See you next time. Peace.